Alright, for today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to assemble the drum as well as holding the drumsticks. So you noticed that with the drumstick, or with the drum set, there are two screws here that you can tighten and loosen, as well as one here on the drum itself. So, first off, you should work on the actual stand itself. Loosen this one, and then you will notice that the legs are going to spread out. So you set it to your desired height. This will make sure that the drum will not fall over during rehearsal. You tighten that, and then you notice it won't move. Then you're probably wondering, what is with this one right here? Well, if it doesn't fall out like it did mine, this will determine the height of the drum. So in case that happens, you just put it back on, and then you just retighten it, like so. And then you put the drum on itself, which is the same process. I have noticed the problem that it wouldn't tighten, so I looked right here and noticed that the screw would not let the hole go in. In that case, you probably tightened it too much where it won't go on. So then, let me try that again. Yeah, that's much better. Now, you may notice, this is a little too low for me. So it depends on the musician themselves, but then all you just need to do is readjust your height. Normally we would have it where it's waist length, but it all depends on the musicians themselves. So one thing I noticed when I started off with this was that one of my legs was a little sideways, thus not balanced. The thing is, I didn't have all this the right way. So make sure you just are keen-eyed, observant, and if you have any problems, contact your teacher. So now we are going to move on to talking about the drumsticks. So, rule of thumb is you have your finger, your pointer finger, and your thumb hold the drumstick like this. Then have the middle finger, the ring finger, and the pinky grip around where it's not too loose in your hand and it's not too tight. Because if you notice, like here with my left hand, I death gripped it, but you want what's in the right hand, which is loose, like right, so that we could have a little rebound. That's the word I'm looking for. I'm a little tired, so I do apologize. So we want a little rebound when it comes to the drumstick, which rebound means you hit it down and then it bounces up naturally. So we like pinch, grip, flip, and then we normally would want to have our palms parallel to the ground. So then we could do strokes like I'm going to talk about the height position of the sticks, which is really important. You should have it about 5 or 6 inches off above the pad. So, and then we want to make sure like we have a triangle shape between the sticks where we'd have to meet, and then we'd put that in near the middle of the pad, and this is where we'd want, after we hit the pad, we want to come back at least really close to the middle. So like if I were to hit the pad, I would go something like this. I know you can't really hear the sounds that I'm producing. Not really a good drum pad, not gonna lie. But, so, an assignment I would have any beginning percussion students do is to use your right hand or your left hand if you are a lefty. I myself am a righty, so I would do like tap, 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 while having the left hand just stay above, or right hand. Do that a couple of times to get the right sticking height. So, right, 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 and then if you're feeling confident in that, try the other hand, your non-dominant hand. So for me it'd be left, 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 and then once you feel comfortable, try picking up the tempo a bit. So 1, 2, ready, go, right, 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 left, 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 or if you're feeling kind of crazy, who knows, you could go right, left, alternate. You could go and then pick up the tempo with that. So, yeah, that's pretty much a beginner's guide to the drum set. So I will do like a couple of examples that I've learned throughout percussion techniques. So, right, left. So I'll do right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, as an example. And then we would up the difficulty of it by doing 16th notes. So right, left, right, right, and so on and so forth. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope that was helpful.